welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Chelsea, and this is my friend Sandy.
Hi, everybody.
We got an extra special shipment today.
Very excited, Chelsea. What's it all about?
It came all the way from Brother, and it is the Brother PrintModa. We are going to unbox it today, see what comes in the box, and we're going to take a peek.
I think that'll be so exciting.
All right, Sandy.
Are you ready?
Let's head on
All
over.
right, here I go. Ooh, here we are, our big box.
Fantastic. So Sandy's with our box. She's going to give an open there. Fantastic opening, Sandy.
It wasn't that great. Okay, there we are. Okay.
All right. So in the box are, ooh, that looks like ink.
I think you're right, Chelsea. Let me show you.
So it looks like we have yellow ink. That blue ink?
Blue.
Get cyan?
Yep.
Fantastic. I see one more ink cartridge.
Over here.
Fantastic.
Two more.
Oh, two more.
We have a
Magenta?
magenta
Looks like magenta, yeah.
and a big black.
Oh, a huge black cartridge. That looks like we're going to be ready to start printing as soon as we get this home.
Our investment tanks.
Oh, sounds like there's tons of ink in there.
All right, so that's the ink.
All right, Sandy's removing the styrofoam like a pro.
And I find,
Is that a quick start guide there, Sandy?
it is a product safety guide.
Oh, fantastic. We definitely need those.
Probably don't want to operate this in water. Okay.
And I'm guessing that is our fabric roll for printing.
I believe you're correct.
Fantastic. So it looks like as soon as this comes out of the box, we're going to have everything to get started.
I believe you're correct.
That's excellent.
And paper.
Oh, quick reference guide.
Yep. Sorry, it's stuff for me.
Oh, fabulous. Quick reference guide. Okay, it looks like the printer's out. Oh, Sandy, I'll come give you a hand lifting.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Oh, fantastic, Sandy. This looks excellent.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the lovely blue design on the top of it.
It looks like, oh, we didn't go high enough yet. There's a tray right down here, and that's where our fabric roll will go. Let's try that out.
Yep.
Comes right on out.
And you can see where the roll sits. And it feeds just like a photocopier.
Fabulous. That's our fabric roll. And then tray one.
Oops, sorry.
So that's tray one. And tray one, we'll be able to put regular paper in here.
So this is not just for fabric. You can use it as your photocopier as well. And printer.
And this is where our lovely print will come out.
Yes.
So let's take off that tape. Oh, fantastic.
And there's our tray.
And it has an extra support, so it's super long.
And we have a plug-in cord.
And we have a plug-in cord. And there's an extra paper slot here.
For different sizes of paper.
Super
So that's
easy to
lovely. There it is. Yep. So you
Alright.
can go all the way up to legal size and ledger size. That's really cool.
Cool. It looks like I found where our ink goes.
Okay.
All of our colors will go in here. So magenta, cyan, yellow, and black.
Perfect.
So it looks super easy. We'll just be able to plug them in and go.
That's right. And on this side, it has a USB port, so you can import those designs.
And this machine works directly with Artspira. So you can do this directly from your tablet or on your phone.
And that's wonderful. Just a snipped up.
That looks like an access area for if anything
Troubleshooting.
happens. Troubleshooting area.
Lovely.
That was really cool, Sandy.
That's really nice. So, Chelsea,
Yes,
how can
Sandy?
people come and see this?
Oh, so we're going to set this up on our floor as our floor model display. You'll be able to see the machine in action. And if you have any further questions or you would like to explore this and its new friend, the sublimation printer, on October 19th, we will be having our launch party.
Oh, that will be so much fun. I can't wait for that. I hear we have a special guest who's going to be leading it.
Yes, we have our friend Lynn coming from Brother. She's a Brother educator, so she knows all the ins and outs of this machine. She's been playing with it, and I can't wait.
I know she'll have some really good tips on how to use this machine too.
She will.
Yep. And so I hear on the 19th there's 2 sessions going on.
Yeah, so our sublimation and PrintModa party is going to take place in the afternoon. And in the morning, we are going to have the EV1, or the Brother Avenir. And you can come and see the machine in action. I can't wait.
2 launch parties in one.
Yes. Sandy,
Yes, dear.
how did they sign up to come and hang out with us?
Well, you know, it's really great if you can drop in and visit us and we can sign you up. Or you could call us over the phone to the store. We'll sign you up. Or online. You can sign up online for either part or both parts of the launch party. As simple as that.
I heard there might be cake.
I did too. In fact, I heard it just secretly revealed this morning.
Oh,
That yes, there will be cake. There's somebody's special birthday. And
maybe it's Anne's birthday coming up.
Anne's birthday. And she's also said, because she's in that good birthday spirit, that there's going to be some bonus prizes.
Like door prizes.
I wonder.
Ooh.
And he said maybe some bundle event pricing.
Event-only pricing, Sandy?
Yes.
Oh,
I think that
wow.
would be awesome.
That's going to be amazing.
Okay, so please remember, give us a call at the store, 403-252-3711. Send it in through our online store, mysewingroom.ca, or come in person and we can show you this lovely machine and you can have a look at it and sign up at that time.
Oh, thanks for joining me today, Sandy. I learned so much about what comes in with this machine.
I think you're perfectly wonderful, and I'm so glad to have spent the afternoon doing this with you.
Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's go get this machine set up out front and we'll play with it.
Sounds like a plan.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.